Hello, I want to welcome you to Naples Motorsports. We're the leader in exotic automobiles. We have cars that range from $50,000 past $2 million, way past $2 million. I'm here to show you a product today that we protect a lot of our cars with. Clear bra product. And it's hard to explain, hard to show in a picture because it's clear. It protects from just about everything. It's actually very thin, it's clear, and it protects, one thing is from vandals. You can't scratch it. I'm trying to poke through it with the key and you can barely poke through it. Very easy to apply. When it goes on, basically it goes on and it goes on clear. And just to try to give you an example of how I'm going to simplify it, it's actually a pretty big process when we do bigger areas, but I just basically take it. We have professional installers that do it. I am not a professional by any means. Just want to show you how it's done as a quick example. We put it on and we get the air bubbles out. And when it's applied, you can't even tell it's on there. I'm just doing a little area just to give you an idea. Once it's applied, it's probably a bad example because we do have to let it dry. It's everything it's here to protect. And not only does it protect you from vandals trying to key scratch, which it won't key scratch, it also protects from bug damage, acid rain, even in instances if you have light damage. In this perfect example, this is a McLaren, a brand new McLaren that personally I was driving. Somebody backed into me in a parking garage and it basically, the material comes off almost like a sticker. But just to give you an example, showing you, we do take it off. We use a high quality material. So when it comes on, if you can see, the damage that was there has disappeared. I feel like I'm on an infomercial, but it really is really good quality. Our products, we stand behind and we guarantee. We have professional installers that we use. We have seen good jobs of this, we've seen bad jobs. But to give an example of a bad job, you know, everybody in the industry always claims, I know somebody that can do this. And we've seen cars come back a couple of years later. We've seen bad material where the material will actually yellow. We'll see it if it's not put on properly. The dirt gets in underneath the lines. If they put it on the easy way and they don't wrap it underneath, you'll get the dirt and wax caught in there and it actually sticks out more. It actually looks like a scratch right across your hood. We've also seen it where, and don't laugh, and this is real, we've had installers put it on the car and cut it with a razor blade on the car. You don't notice it until you take it off. So one of the things about us, we're a top quality dealer. This is all we do. We deal in exotic cars every day. So if you notice here, this clear bra not only saved thousands of dollars in potential paint work, but now I have an original paint car here. It's not tying up my car, and you'll see the mark completely came off. And the way we install our clear bras, it's very hard to see because it's clear, hence the name clear bra, is we wrap it underneath. Again, the reason we do that is so that you don't get the lines, the wax lines or anything like that, and it's full protection. You can see this mark is completely disappearing. I'm going to go very slow. But if you notice, actually, this is a great example right here. If you see, there's my mark on the outside. Look how strong this material is. I mean, it's impossible. When we look underneath, everything's gone. That's just a little bit of the glue. We use an adhesive remover. And normally, we have a different process that we use when we take this off. A lot of times, we'll apply heat, which will deactivate the glue. But if you notice here, there's another little mark right there that we will make disappear. Again, if you see how we do the installs, there's always somebody out there that can do this. You find these people on the internet We have been around for 18 years. And again, we're the leader in exotic cars, the leader in products like this. A lot of research goes in before we even offer a product, before anything is even authorized to be sold by us. It's our reputation out there on the line. We usually like using green products, not orange, but we'll let this one slide. It's a citrus product. That was a bad humor joke. What do you think of that, folks? Here at Naples Motorsports, again, this is what we do. We deal in quality cars, quality products. We highly recommend it. Again, I'll show it over here on this Ferrari as time goes on. It's self-healing as well, too. So if it does get small scratches, the scratches actually disappear with heat. If I had a blow dryer, I could show you that if we do scratch it, I tried scratching with the key. Again, I can't scratch it. Actually, here, I'm scratching the outside surface, but you'll see in time that, yeah, the scratch just disappears. But again, thank you. We invite you to visit the dealership. Any questions at all, you can call us. Our phone number is 239-430-5655. Thank you again. There's already one on the 650.